Okay, so I've clicked on the link and I've come to my spreadsheet, and you'll notice that some of the options are grayed out. The first thing you need to do is be logged into a Google account, and then you're going to make a copy. Sure, we'll call it whatever it likes, and what we should see is all the scripts being loaded. You'll notice that there's still errors at this point. Okay, and it's starting to work, and we have a Google Analytics menu. Okay, so we just need to make sure everything's going to work for us. And I'm going to click on Tools, go to Script Editor, and the first thing that I want to do is I want to make sure that I have an email address to send the reports to. So I scroll all the way down to the bottom. Great, the custom scripts are there, and I'm going to email myself at distilled. Perfect, that's great. I'm going to go ahead and save that. Next thing I want to do is make sure that the API is connected. So use Google APIs. Okay, it's already turned on for me. That might be a fluke. Just make sure it's turned on for you. Go to the API console, and yep, okay, so I need to turn that one on. Great, I can close that, go back to this menu, click OK. Great, I can now close that off. I can go back, and the next thing I need to do is enter my IDs. Now, I've already got access to my personal blog on both my work account and my personal account, so all I have to do is enter my IDs. And I had this copied on the clipboard just to make it quicker for everyone. And the last thing I need to do is get data, just make sure everything's running. Okay, it needs authorization. Great. And try that one again. And if everything's working properly, I should see success. Great. Okay, so that worked. Last thing I need to do is just set up my triggers so I can automate the entire process. So Tool, Script Editor, and Resources, all my triggers. And just to repeat, add a new trigger. So I'm going to get the data, time driven, and I want it on the first of every month, and we'll do it from 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. Add a new trigger, and I want to get it to mail me, again, time driven, month, and we'll say 5 to 6 a.m. and the last trigger, just to make sure that all the formulas and the charts update, is on open, time driven again. That's a month timer, and make sure it's later than the report. So give it a few more hours. I'm going to go with 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. this time. And that's it. Happy reporting, folks. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.